Hey y'all, this is Kevin at Random Rips, and I picked up some things at the local card shop today, and I remember back when I first started collecting, these came out shortly after that. A new football card. I think they were only 50 cents a pack actually on the back when they still sold them at convenience stores. You'd find them at the gas stations next to the register. Something other than tops. And I thought they were pretty cool. And I remember finding out from my card shop back then that there was a William Refrigerator Perry error card, and they had fixed it. He wasn't supposed to have a card, but if you could find the card, they had quit making them and replaced his card with another guy in the same number slot. See, I got these cool Super Bowl subset. Wow, that is really off center. It's missing the bottom part of the card. Yeah, that's what happened. It's missing about a 1/4 inch off the bottom of the card. So yeah, see, they had problems with printing back then too. And the you can see how badly off center it is. But I always loved the look of this card. I mean, they still print anniversary issues and stuff of this design today. Like the Pro set I went over the other day. Keena Turner. That'd be neat if we ran across that William Refrigerator Perry, because it was only in the very first print run you could get them out of. And I remember going and buying 2 or 3 packs at a time and going out in the parking lot and opening the packs and seeing if I could find either him or the guy that replaced him. Now, it's Jay Novacek. I'm wondering that might be the guy that replaced him. See the centering on that one. Not too good there. Jason Buck, Dave Krieg, Kevin Mack, James Hasty, John Frank. But yeah, I mean, this brings back so many memories. Over 30 years ago. I remember they had boxes at the little convenience store near my girlfriend's house. Back when I was in college. I got the coach cards. Marv Levy. Joe Kelly. Dalton Hilliard. Clyde Matthews. This is back when a new company could come along and get a license to print with the logos and everything and compete. How do you guys feel about the monopoly of Fanatics coming along? And as far as I'm concerned, exclusive rights, license rights like they did, that gives them a monopoly on the entire card game. I mean, there's just too many people that aren't going to take unlicensed, no logo cards serious. And I wonder if that's a good thing or a bad thing, because as crazy as the companies, Panini and Topps, as bad as they've gotten lately, one can hope that Fanatics is going to fix that. But at the same time, with no competition now, I had that card. Let's send that in for grading and see what they say. It's been trimmed. They took it off the bottom and added it to the edges. Alright guys, that was fun for a little short snippet. But anyway, I like to share these little short things, my memories, with y'all sometimes. So if you like it, hit that subscribe button. Take a few minutes from your day and remember what it was like back in the late 80s and early 90s sometimes. And then other times, like we're going to do in just a few minutes here, we're going to open some cards. It's time to earn my name for some random rips. And how much more random does it get than Chronicles? How about that?